All right, everybody. It's Richard from Fat Cracker Homestead. It's Friday night, and it's time for another recipe for you. Tonight, we're going to be throwing some things together that we normally don't throw together. We'll have cabbage, potatoes, onion, sausage, and shrimp. We're going to fry that up and see how it turns out. Y'all keep watching. All right, everybody. Got our pot heated up. We got some bacon grease in there. What we're going to start with first, we're going to throw our country sausage in there. Get it frying. Let it fry for a little bit. Let that simmer down. We'll let that cook for a little bit. Then we'll add the shrimp to it and let that cook. We're not as quite as hot as we need to be, so I'll cut away and come back when it's hotter and we're getting somewhere. All right, we got our sausage browned up. Keep it going. Now we're going to add our shrimp to it. This is peeled large jumbo shrimp, debanged. Still got the tails on though. A little bit of water in the bag. We're going to add 2 pounds of it. Get it mixing. Let that cook down. While we're cooking it down, we're going to add a little bit of seasoning. We're going to throw a little bit of Old Bay in there, put a little seasoning in it. That should be enough. Like I said, I don't measure nothing. I go by feel. We'll mix all that around, and we'll let this get back up to heat and sear that old shrimp down, and then we'll continue on from there. All right, we got our shrimp and everything done. It's cooked up right now. What we're going to do is we're going to take that shrimp and sausage out of the pan and put it over here to the side for the time being. We'll let that sit, and I'll go ahead and get all this out of the pan. We'll come back to the next part. All right, got everything out. We got our bacon grease going in there, what was left over. Now we're going to add our diced potatoes and onions. And we'll get them going. And we're going to sear them down for a little while. And then we'll go there and get them going pretty good, get all that cooked in. And then we'll add our cabbage. While I stir this down, let it cook. We'll wait till we go to the cabbage and we'll go from there. All right, guys, we got our potatoes and onions cooked down. They sauteed enough. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add our cabbage. It's all cut in the ribbons there. Get it in there. I got some trying to escape. We'll get it all in the pot. Might have to make 2 trips, maybe not. Get that in there. And we'll mix that around for a little bit. And then we'll be back with one more ingredient before we put the lid on it. All right, so we let that cabbage cook down a little bit. We mix it up with the potatoes and onions. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add about a half a can of this chicken broth. Well, we'll add the whole can. Ain't gonna hurt it. A little extra flavor can't. We'll mix that around real good. Get that all mixed around in there. And then what we'll do is we'll put the lid on it, turn the heat down, and come back to it here in a couple minutes. All right, everybody, we're back. Cabbage is cooked down. It's all pretty much done. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and turn the heat off, let it sit. And then what we're going to do, we're going to add the sausage and shrimp back to it. And then juices will come out of it. And then what we're going to do is mix everything together real good. Probably not way too much cabbage, but it won't never hurt nobody. As long as everybody gets about everything. Get that done. Like that. We'll put the lid on it, let it split. Try to let the flavors get together and we'll see how it turns out. Alright guys, there it is. Let it all cook down. That shrimp cooked down a little bit more. It's all mixed together. That cabbage is nice and soft. Now all we gotta do is put it on a plate, try it out. Let me get a plate real quick, or a bowl. Alright, get my little handy dandy paper plate. Take a spoonful, set it on there because this is dinner and I don't want to ruin it, and I get it ready for everybody else. Alright. Put the lid back on it. We'll be right back. Alright guys, here we go. Got that a little bit on the plate. We're going to try it out. It's the first time I do it in front of you, but I'm going to try it out. A little bit of cabbage, a little sausage. Pretty good. Pretty good. Oh yeah. Good flavor throughout. I'm going to pull this shrimp up here. Oh yeah, I gotta say, that's pretty damn good, bud. Now y'all remember, that's it for the video. Y'all remember, if you ain't trying, you ain't making it, bud. Y'all have a good one.